Right, where are we?
Orchard Park, Reeth.
Yeah, we come here a lot. So we're just sat in the van waiting for something to go wrong so that we can do that clickbait thing. Oh, so we'll just sit here and if something goes wrong...
Oh no!
What was that? Oh no, it was a fly. You won't believe what happened. So, clickbait, here we come. That's how you get YouTube watchers. We're on it.
We need to get our viewings up.
Hi, we're Nicky and Billy, and this is our channel. So it's all about our little adventures in our van, whether that's hiking mountains, biking, socialising, eating, drinking, or just us. So if you want to follow us, just subscribe and see what we get up to. Right, back in the van, and after yesterday's really rainy ride,
Yeah.
it's lovely outside, blue skies. We're a day too early with the ride, but anyway. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop into Reeth today and have a look around Reeth. There's not many videos of yesterday's ride. Brand new GoPro, tested it out.
Yeah.
Just
Few pics.
Keeps on getting covered in mud, rain, so the view is just splattered, so there weren't any good videos. I'll have a look and see if we can cut some in. But we'll put
It was a good ride.
Yeah, put the Strava link on.
Yeah, it was a good ride. Carl bust. He got a puncher. Last time we did the same ride, I got a puncher.
Yeah,
So it's definitely the killer of
killer
of tyres, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he turned up with an e-bike. So obviously it was probably a bit slow for him. But yeah, we'll put the Strava on, you can have a look at that, and then we'll show you around Reeth now and give you some hints on the bars in Reeth. Because that's what we're really experts at, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. See you later.
Bye.
Smooth as Tennessee whiskey, sweet as strawberry wine. You want the glass of brandy, honey, I get stoned on the love all the time. I want to tell you how I feel.
Good morning.
Morning.
We're just walking up from the campsite. It takes you about, 10 minutes to get to Reeth, maybe?
Nowhere near 10 minutes. It's a
nowhere near
lot
10
shorter than
minutes.
that.
Yeah, it's not very long at all, to be fair. Yeah, that was completely wrong information, wasn't it?
So that's the campsite. There's Reeth.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
So
I'm
you'd have
rubbish.
to be walking like that, wouldn't you, to get there in 10 minutes?
Just like my bike ride yesterday when I said, let's take the second bridge.
Yeah.
That's the wrong bridge. We need the second bridge. But unknown to me, we'd already passed the first bridge. So the second bridge was the second bridge. And we did a detour, all uphill.
That made a lot of sense to everybody, but anyway.
Yeah.
So walking into Reeth and we'll show you the pubs.
Yeah.
Because that's the important stuff. Right, catch you in a bit. We've got to go up this hill.
Yeah, there is a hill.
Yeah.
You don't have to go up this little steep hill. You can go around, but the little steep hill's the quickest way.
It's not so good when you're carrying an amp, 2 guitars and a load of gigging gear like last night to get up to the pub to play. But at least we got all the oldies helped carry it back last night.
You can't say that about our friends.
So we had the oldest road crew in the history of music helping us out last night. Right, catch you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, so here's Reeth.
So, Village Green. Village Green. Flemington Edge. So, such a pretty little green. I love it. £2 to park. Honesty box.
Yep. Shall we show you the pubs then?
Market here on a Friday. If anything happens, it happens in this little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Christmas and all that. Yeah.
Public toilets at the far end, 20p. So if you get caught short, 20p, you can have a pee.
Post office, little general store just on the other side. Coffee kettle.
News agents.
Yeah, there was a couple of cafes, but most of them have turned back into houses. But I don't know what Copper Kettle's just been sold, so that might reopen back up as a cafe. Who knows? Yeah.
But the best cafe is probably Dale's Bike Centre down in
Absolutely, which is where we're headed after this.
Yeah, so we're doing a walk and we'll head up there. So I'll show you the pubs.
Black Bull.
Black Bull. First of the 3 pubs we're going to show you. So.
Yeah. 2 roaring fires in there last night, even though it's August.
Yeah.
They do. They've got the normal pub food, but then they've got a real nice specials menu, and it's quite foodie food, isn't it? They do like real nice fish dish and a couple of other things, but they're sort of like quite upmarket. You know, it's got quite an upmarket menu as well. That's like your normal pub food. So,
proper chefy stuff.
Yeah, proper chefy stuff.
So good atmosphere, and they do music occasionally. Through the summer, they'll do it probably once a month.
And they have venues in the back as well, don't they?
Yeah, bike rallies and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So that's pub number 1.
There we go. So there we've got the Kings.
Yep.
Absolutely the most dog-loving pub there is in Reeth. In fact, they prefer dogs to people.
Yeah.
So, and it's got a massive original Inglenook fireplace, and they have in winter just the biggest roaring fire you ever did see. So again, another cracking little pub.
Yep. Your dog will never ever.
Yeah, once your dog will never walk
want to go
past it
past.
again.
Yeah. Once they figure out the food's on there free of dogs,
Yeah.
they'll just be dragging it in. So and they have rooms as well, like the Black Bull.
Just a shame that they've been having the roof's been getting done, and they've just seemed to. It's not the landlord and landlady's fault. They're taking forever to do it. So I feel sorry for them because they've had the scaffolding stuck up for just months. So it'd be nice when that gets finished and comes down, and it'd be a lot better for them, I think.
They do specials as well, so you'll find
it's packed out here
Fish
in summer.
Fridays and stuff like that. So
all along this cobble bit in summer is absolutely packed with people having a. Reeth gets really busy, doesn't it, during the day? Yeah, during the day it gets really busy. So well, you usually have to book a meal for the book and the Kings, but the book does walk-ins.
Yeah. So the first 2 pubs, this one and the one before, book ahead or else you probably won't get in.
Yeah.
So the third one, we'll show you. You can actually turn up just on spec.
And here we have the book, and as you can see, it's a regular little sun trap in summer. There's a big beer garden out back as well. Music on most weekends. It's a big back room where they do venues. Again, cosy coal fires, good range of beers, and good pub grub.
Yep. And you don't have to book. You you can
Oh
turn
yeah,
up this one.
you can do walk-ins here as well, which is, a small place like this, if you just rock up and you can't get anything, your stuff, so you're sorted here.
Yeah.
Yeah, another lovely pub.
That's it. The three
And this
pubs at
keeps the
Reeth,
sun
isn't it?
longer as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, this
so
is-
on a hot day, this is like probably a right little sun trap.
Right, let's move on and do our walk.
Yeah.
Bye.
Mr. Finn, what's your favourite pub? See,
Blackpool?
he
Really?
loves the Blackpool.
Right, let's see
Yes, it will fit through.
how big an arse will go
I
through
can
these
get
little
my big arse
gaps.
through this
Come on
gate.
then, let's see if you get your arse through
No.
there easily.
Room,
Go on then.
room.
Yeah, they're quite wide, aren't they, really?
Oh. So, here we are again. This is Billy's favourite walk. He just can't go home without doing it. So, just pop out of Reeth, along through the fields, cross over, back down the river, over the swing bridge, and then back on the other side, drop into Grinton and have a coffee. And as I said, he loves walking so much, we just can't go home without doing it. It's like tradition now. It's a couple of miles, 2.5, 3 at the most by the time we get back to the campsite. This beautiful countryside, not a hint of rain. Oh, it definitely spit. I can feel it spitting.
It's going to rain now.
No.
Well, I'm going to say this gate's a size 14, so let's see how big your arse is. Come on.
No. So, oh, dearie me. So, oh dear. So, this is a gate for back in the day when people were definitely smaller and skinnier. And you ain't getting through here if you've got a belly. Woo!
So, we've just got to this gate. And this is Nicky trying to get through the gate. Can't figure a way through. Goes back, checks again. Can't figure a way through. What you should do is this. It's not that hard, is it? Right, so we've crossed the bridge and now we're on the way back to Grinton, where we'll go to Dale's Bike Centre for coffee.
Coffee.
It's not a big long walk, but again, we'll stick Strava on the bottom of this, won't we, so you can see it. Oh,
Got
loyalty
5
cards.
cups on my loyalty card, so I'm nearly there.
Nearly there for free copper. Right, so yeah,
It's
Dale's
a
Bike Centre.
beautiful day. Everything's green and lush, and yeah, it's just lovely. Just lovely.
You happy now?
Yeah. It's not raining.
Doesn't take much, does it?
No. Simple girl.
Yeah.